Hi, I'm Abby and welcome back to All About Weddings. Today we are going to be talking about one of the most crucial parts of wedding prep that is very often overlooked, and that is the wedding day emergency kit. Hopefully this video will give you a few ideas of what to include in yours, or we may possibly do a giveaway in future of one of these emergency wedding kits, so be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. So I'm going to be showing you what we include in ours. Anyway, let's get into it. Firstly, for fashion mishaps, an emergency sewing kit. This kit includes mini scissors, safety pins, needles, you name it, it's in this kit. Any wardrobe mishaps, you're covered with this. Next, we've got a mini roll of body tape. And this, people don't often think about, but it will come in handy more often than not. Again, for outfit mishaps, there's a lot of people who don't know about this, but clear nail polish can actually be a lifesaver for if you're wearing tights or stockings, any runs or rips. This will be your new best friend. Clear nail polish, absolutely essential to have in your wedding kit. And if you've chipped a nail as well, this can stop it from getting any worse. Now let's move on to skincare / hair care. So now we've got bobby pins. Need I say more? Absolutely essential, can't go anywhere without them. Our next thing is one of my favourite things ever, and that is the Super UV Over Makeup SPF. If you've got a full face of makeup on and your wedding day is on the hottest day of the year, you can actually spray this over your makeup. There will be no smudges, no change in your makeup. You can just spray this completely over your face and be protected from the sun. This is an absolute game changer. Next, we've got mini simple makeup wipes. And this, I've said to you so many times, it's such a small little pack, as you can see. You can just fit it in any bag and use this packet for any accidental spills, makeup smudges, anything. Next, surprisingly, these are quite often forgotten, and then you'll run around like a headless chicken on your wedding day, asking everyone for a deodorant. Both our bride and groom, we recommend a mini one of these. Honestly, you'll need one more often than you think. Next, these can be useful for a number of reasons, but we've got plasters. Clear ones as well, so you can't see them. Or skin colour ones might be a good option as well, because you will be able to see the little white pad on these. But plasters, blisters, grazes, you name it. If you've got children at your wedding as well, absolute essential. And last but not least, a protein bar. Because I know at our venue, our guests are always kept very well fed. Your wedding day is a busy day, and sometimes you might not get a chance to grab a bite to eat. So, protein bar, drop one of these in your emergency wedding kit and you will be good to go. Hope you liked today's video. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more.